Hello viewers, welcome to Pharma Job Vacancy Odisha. Viewers, today in today's video we're gonna discuss about the vacancies throughout Odisha and different locations. And maximum companies are very huge pharmaceutical companies in Indian sector, having a large number of market share. So, and in today's video, maximum vacancies are experienced person. Hope it will help to grab new opportunities in different companies. So, to start the video without wasting our time. So, the first company we are having in our list is Ipca Laboratories Limited. It is a very well-known pharmaceutical company in this segment, and the vacant division is diabetic, and you have to deal with the diabetic products. But the job role is medical representative. Vacant locations are Bhubaneswar as well as Sambalpur. At least having 2 years of market experience in same headquarter, and qualification is required graduation in any stream, and you have to at least age category is below 26 years. You have to contact 9438 48891 is the mobile number of area business manager of this company and concerned person. Next is also Micro Labs Limited. The job role is medical representative and division vacant is Carcian 1. There is two division in Micro. One is Carcian and another one is Carcian 1. So this is another division. So the segment you have to deal with the cardio as well as diabetic products, and the location is the Sambalpur. At least having 2 years of a market experience will be help you to grab this opportunity, and qualification requires graduation and age criteria is below 28 years. You have to contact 79781 5141C is the concerned person mobile number. He is the area business manager of this specific region. So the next company is Sandiota Nimandis. Sandiota Nimandis is a medium-sized company but having a pan-India presence, and this company is based on Ahmedabad-based company. So the job role is medical representative. Division segment is not known. Vacant location is Balasore. At least having 6 months of market experience in same headquarter in pharmaceutical sector will help you to grab this opportunity, and qualification required graduation at any stream, and age criteria is below 28 years. You have to drop your update CV to ajay_barik98@readymail.com, or you can contact 8599026996. This is the both concerned person mobile number. And beside this, another company having Bioserum Private Limited is a medium-sized company, but job role is medical representative. Division segment is not known, but the vacant location is Puri. For this company, at least having 6 months of market experience is required, and qualification requires graduation in any stream, and age category is below 28 years. You have to contact 89176333059 is the concerned person mobile number. Next is Sun Diagnostic Center. It is the another segment of Sun Pharmaceuticals Limited. Sun Pharmaceutical is the #1 pharmaceutical company in India, and it also had the operation in different parts of the world, other countries, different countries. But the vacancies for as of now is Sun Diagnostic Center. The job role is medical representative. Division obviously have to diagnostic segment. You have to promote the diagnostic services to different medical centers. Okay, so the location is Bhubaneswar and Cuttack. Both these locations, vacant recruitment is going on, and at least having 6 months of market experience will help you to grab this opportunity, and qualifications required graduation. Okay, at least age criteria is below 25 years, and you have to drop your update CV to biswajitctc86@yahoo.com, or you can contact 70080532221. This is the concerned person mobile number. And the next company is Bharat Salt and Chemicals India Limited. It is also a very well-known company in the pharmaceutical sector. It is a major vaccine manufacturer in India. So the job role is medical representative. I think that this is I forgot to omit the female part. Okay, so this is a male. This vacancy is for a male candidate. The job division and segment is not known. Location is Bhubaneswar and Jharsuguda. Recruitment is going on for this. Both these two vacant locations are. And experience required 1 year in same headquarter. Qualification is graduation required. Age category is below 27 years. You have to contact 7008 253 288 is the concerned person mobile number. The next is Indoco Remedies Limited. It is also a very good company to work on. The division is diabetic. Job role is medical representative, and the vacant location is Jajpur. At least having 2 years of market experience will help you to grab this opportunity, and qualification is graduation required. Age criteria is below 28 years. You have to drop your update CV to surendraindoco15@outlook.com, or you can contact 9437114793 or 8249896484. Okay. So the next company is Natco Pharma Limited. It is also a very good company to work on. The job role is medical representative. Division and segment is not known, but vacancy locations are Cuttack as well as Sambalpur. At least having 1 year of experience required. Qualification is BSc or B Pharma only. It is clearly mentioned the in the advertisement. So the job role age criteria is 27 years. You have to drop your update CV to tadmoy.goswami@natcopharma.co.in, or you can contact him directly 9830836509. So the last company is Aristo Pharmaceuticals Limited Private Limited. It is also a very well known company in the pharmaceutical sector, having pan India presence as well as, and medical representative job role. Division segment is not known, but vacant location is Sambalpur. At least having 6 months of market experience will help you to grab this opportunity, and qualification is required graduation. Age criteria is below 27 years. You have to contact 94371 is the concerned person mobile number. There you can get in details of interview. So these are the vacancy updates of today's video. So I hope it will help you to grab your opportunity or to move from company to another company, switch from one company to another company. So maximum companies are well-known pharmaceutical like Aristo, Sun, or something like companies. So Bioserum is the only company I think that there is a medium-sized company I think as compared to other. So thank you. Share this video to your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates on latest vacancies. Thank you.